Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2017 BMW S1000R. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this BMW. This does come with full service history. It does come with a spare key in the pack as well. So what we'll do is start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. It does have all the usual BMW extras. Got ABS, traction control, cruise control. Does have the Brembo brakes on this as well. It's got the ESA electronic suspension. It's got the Race Fox radiator covers there. It's also got the fold back levers. Got the frame protection bungs on there as well, and engine covers as well. Let's get a closer look in at the engine. You can see the quick shifter there as well. Let's get a look at the side of the tank and the side of the seat. Get a look in there at the rear shock. See, it's got the paddock stand bobbins as well. So let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Let's get a look at it from the back as well. See, it's got the nice private plate on there. We'll move around to the right hand side of the bike. Get a good look and do the same again. So side of the seat, side of the tank. Move this over so we can see all the side of the tank there. It's got the GB racing covers on this side as well. It also has the Akrapovic exhaust on. Let's get a look in at that back brake. We'll finish up on the front wheel on this right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the dash and controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look up at the controls. So we've got the front brake, throttle, we've got the kill switch and starter there, you've got a mode button and your button for the heated grips. And over on the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators, horn, then you've got your cruise control buttons there. You've got your trip and your info button and your ABS and suspension button on there. So let's turn the ignition on. Let's get a look at the mileage. And it's done 14,635 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.